Hi, today's video, I'm going to go over the 5 best lead magnet ideas for high converting, very targeted leads. And yes, I have very beginner friendly ideas to share with you. And you may want to stick to the end because I'm going to share a bonus tip with you. Do you want financial freedom like myself? Then that's what we're all about here. On this channel, we'll share info and tips to help you with your online business or just making money from the comfort of your home. If you're interested, then stick around and subscribe. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. So, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is an incentive offered to prospective customers in exchange for their email address or other contact information. Generally, lead magnets are offered for free or a ridiculously low price in order to encourage the visitor to the site or to the link to opt in or enter their email, in other words, so they can be added to your email list. The person that enters their email address is now on your list as a new lead. That's what a lead is. Hence the reason why it's called a lead magnet. Something that is drawing that person so they can be part of your email list. But what makes a lead magnet effective? Well, essentially, lead magnets need to strike a balance between what is the cost versus the reward gain from getting that particular item. And the reward can be many things. It could be information that you can't easily access and you're making it accessible to the person, or information that is really difficult to compile and you're doing it for them, hence you're saving time for that person, that visitor, or you're providing help or consultation on a topic that is of interest to them. Yes, and offering a personalized report maybe at the end that is of interest to them. So that is what makes it effective. It's saving time for them, it's offering a valuable service to them, it's it's personalized to them, and that makes it valuable even though it may be free. And let's be honest, many people think that anything free is no good, but that's why we need to offer very targeted, high quality lead magnets so people will want it even though it's free. So, what are some of the ideas I have to share with you? Well, first one on the list, ebooks. Now, I know I have tons of ebooks on my hard drive, I will admit. But the ebook I'm referring to is not just an ebook. What I'm suggesting is that you offer a complimentary audiobook with your ebook. Because I know personally, when I'm cleaning or driving to work or just, outside walking, exercising, sometimes I like to listen to audiobooks. But at night and evening time when I'm relaxing, I might enjoy reading the ebook. So it'll be good if you can offer your visitor, your potential customer, the option of not just the valuable ebook that you want to share with them, but also a corresponding audiobook. And that's easy to do. You can record the audiobook yourself, or you could perhaps go on Fiverr and pay someone free to transcribe it into audio for you. But no, sorry, not transcribe, narrate it into audio for you. But I would absolutely love to get ebooks with audiobooks. That is the difference. Second, effective lead magnets are free courses, especially if the course is directly related to the topic of your website or the link or the offer, the affiliate offer that you're giving. Let's say, for example, you are promoting a crafting course. You can offer the first module, the introductory module, for free. And that kind of gets them excited about getting the rest of the course, and they sign up for the rest of the course, things like that. Or you might be doing a woodworking offer, but before your woodworking offer, you can offer a free mini course or an email course on best painting tips. I mean, I'm not into woodworking, but that's what I'm coming up with. Or how to build a cupboard. Something very simple, but something that will entice that particular visitor to want to opt in and pick your course. Next on the list are quizzes or calculators. These I like because they can help you get the right visitor to your site. For example, if you're promoting mortgages, then you could have a mortgage calculator so persons can tell at a glance what they could possibly qualify for. Things as simple as that. And these are very targeted. So you know once someone opts in to use this quiz or uses calculators because they are very much interested in that particular topic or offering. So these are excellent ways of getting targeted, high converted leads. The other one is an audit. And audits are very good, especially if what you're promoting is a service. Yes. But let's say, for example, an SEO audit or some other kind of assessment that you might have. If you do a short mini audit via a series of questions or a questionnaire, and at the end of it, it offers suggestions of how the person could improve, these are seen as valuable. Yes, because it's offering um, expert opinion and advice that they can possibly follow. So, people who opt in for these audits are very serious about improving something or solving a challenge that they're particularly facing. And that's what makes them targeted and very possible for you to convert them into customers. And number five on the list, and one of my favorites, is checklists and templates. I know these save me a whole lot of time. I love planners, and a lot of people love planners. You can offer a digital planner, you can offer a printable planner, to do checklists, daily checklists. I love those things because it helps me stay on track and stay in order. And these are very easy to offer. And once you have a template or a checklist that is specific to the particular niche that you're targeting, it makes it even better for you. Yes. So checklists and templates are among my favorites to offer as effective lead magnets. So I like to first thank you for sticking with me this far. If you have found anything that is of value, I would like you to hit the like button and consider subscribing. But I did promise you a bonus tip, so here it is. You might be saying, well, I really don't know how to create a checklist or templates or do write an ebook and all of that jazz that you're suggesting. Neither do I. So, what I have to offer you is the option of using done for you lead magnets. In other words, private label rights products, PLR. Yes, you can use PLR products as your lead magnets, but what I do caution you is to find quality, relevant, targeted, those words, quality PLR, very relevant PLR, targeted to that particular niche or offer. Yes, that way the perceived value of the PLR is increased. And some of the sites that you can get quality PLR or targeted PLR from are listed on the screen. You have free PLR downloads, PLR free online, buy quality PLR is one of my favorites. I use some of the free ones from that site, including the paid ones. There's some that was so good I had to buy it, and they were so affordable as well. But all of these sites you can get free PLR from, and you don't have to pay for them. You download them and you're free to use them. PLR meaning private label rights, meaning you can claim them as your own. You can claim that you created them, you authored them. You can change it up, change it, the fonts, the coloring, the order. You can give them away for free. You can sell them if you choose. You can do anything you would like to do once within the license rights with those particular items. And this makes it easy for you to get quality items to use as your lead magnets. So there we have it. 5 very effective lead magnet ideas. I've shared with you where you can get some of these lead magnet ideas so you don't have to stress about creating them. All you got to do is take action. That's the only way we can get to our end goal, which is financial freedom. We have to take action. So if you're ready, let's go. If you want to grow, then let's grow. But consistency is very important. And know that we have to practice some patience sometimes. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is about the race being won by the crafty, and that's going to be us. So, again, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for staying with me. I hope I shared some value. I hope I've given you a light bulb so you now know where you can start. And if you like this, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and watch some of my other content. This is a brand new channel. I'm now starting on this thing. I'm a bit nervous, I'm sure you can tell, but it will only improve from here and grow better with time and with your help and encouragement. Thank you. Later.